In this short video, we'll show you how to research potential trading opportunities using the Nadex platform. Let's get started. Once you've logged into your Nadex trading account, you'll see three different types of trading products in the upper left-hand corner: binary options, call spreads, and knockouts. When you click on each product, you'll see the different market classes you can trade listed below. Next, click on one of the market classes to see the specific markets available and the various expiration options for each market. Note that the 5-minute and 20-minute binary option durations are listed below the market classes. For example, by clicking on Indices under Binary Options, you'll see all the indices available to trade as well as the different expiration options listed from shortest duration to longest. Click on one of the expiration options to see the different contracts you can trade. Here we've clicked Weekly under US Tech 100. This will display the list of contracts available. Once you've identified the contract you're interested in, click on it to populate a price chart, as well as bring up an order ticket on the right-hand side of the platform. Notice on the top of the order ticket, there is a specific description for that contract. By clicking on the Markets icon in the upper left-hand corner, you can make the chart larger so you can conduct further analysis of this opportunity. And that's it. You can now research the different trading opportunities using the Nadex platform so you can find the one you're looking for.